Hey, what's up, geeks? This is Duran Brown, your instructor from Geek Mode, the School of React Native. In this video, we're going to cover valid parentheses. So basically, this is like I'm going to show you guys the examples. If you take a look at example, you want to make sure that the parentheses on the left side matches the parentheses on the right side. And if it does, this is pass in, and it does, it's true. Now let's check out a false. Now, if we take a look at this, we can see that our parentheses does not match our brackets on the right, so it comes in as false. So whatever we pass in, it has to be either parentheses, brackets, or curly brackets. And basically, the left and right value has to be equal to each other, just like it does in here. The right value is next to its specific opposite. So anyways, I want you guys to copy everything we have here, and then go to your IDE or text editor. And also, remember, I always have the link in the description, even if I forget to say it. Now we're going to create two variables. Our first variable is our stack variable, and this is going to set to empty array. Next, we're going to create an open object, and we're going to reference both our brackets and our parentheses and curly brackets. Try to see if there's a way for me to, yeah, there is. I'll grab what we have here just to save some time. Go back, put that in. Okay, so let me work my way through this. So we're going to replace our commas with colons. Okay, brackets. Okay, now that looks right. All right. Now let's create another variable titled our closed. And this is going to be an object as well. It's going to reference our closing brackets, parentheses, or curly brackets. So let's go ahead and just grab, just going to copy this. This is going to be our key. And this is going to be set to true. And I want to go ahead and copy this. Next one's going to be our bracket. We're going to set this equal to true. And next we're going to reference our curly brackets and set its value equal to true as well. Okay. Next we're going to loop through our string length. So let our index equal 0. Hey, what's up guys? Duran Brown here. I just wanted to remind you, at the end of this video, make sure you check out the website www.geekmode.tech. There you can learn more about React Native, Firebase, and Redux. And also, if you haven't already, make sure you check out our free course as well. I'm sure you enjoy it. Now, that's enough of me, and I'll let you guys get back to the video. And as long as our index is less than our string.length, we're going to increment our index. Let our current value equal our string and its index. If our open bracket, we're going to get loop through our open brackets actually object as well. We're going to reference our current is going to equal its index. So if our current value equals true, we're going to reference our stack array, and then we're going to push our current value. And else if Else if our closed equals current, we're going to let our last, we create a new variable called last, and we're going to pop off our last value. And pop just removes our last value for those of you who don't know. So open, and we're going to get our last value. We're going to, and if it's not equal to current, we're going to return false. All right. And finally, we're going to return our stack length equal to 0. We're going to say if this is equal, if our stack length is equal to 0, we're going to return true. If not, if it's any kind of value, we're going to return false. So I'm going to go ahead and just console log. Node let leak code, valid parentheses, and we get true. Now I'm going to add just a incorrect or falsy and see what we get back. Okay. So something is off. 1 second, guys. Okay, geeks, actually there was nothing wrong with our code. I was console logging here. As you can see, the false value is up here. So I had to console log our false. And then as you can see, I already tested it. And then now we're getting back false. So hey, my bad. So remove your console logs. And I'm going to copy all this code and return to LeetCode's website. Yes, our algorithm passed. So exactly what we were expecting. And yeah, hopefully that was self-explanatory. As usual, guys, just reach out to me. And yeah, I'd love to get some guys on the show. So feel free to reach out. Anyways, peace.